Welcome to the final part of our journey, crafting AI-powered personalized outreach messages. After carefully selecting your ideal backlink prospects, the next pivotal step is making contact. And with BacklinkGPT, we ensure that this process isn't just effortless, but also effective. To initiate contact, simply tap on the mail icon beside your chosen prospect. When selecting your contact, a dialog pops up showing potential outreach targets. Choose the best fit. And if you fancy a sneak peek into their professional journey, their LinkedIn is just one click away. Now, it's time to make them an offer they can't refuse. Remember, no one gives backlinks for free. If your content is more on the business side, you've got to make a good offer. For our demonstration, let's suggest an affiliate link. With every successful subscription, they can earn money. Generating the perfect message is up next. Hit the Generate button and watch as our AI crafts a tailored message. It pulls insights from both BacklinkGPT's landing page and the target's website, sprinkling in genuine compliments and showcasing the harmony between our content. And to keep the dialogue flowing, it wraps up with an inviting question. Want to add a personal flair? After the AI does its magic, you can tweak the message to make it uniquely yours. Once you're happy with the crafted message, hit Save. The best part? You can instantly send the saved message using your pre-configured email client with a single click. With that, you're all set and ready to take on the world of outreach.